Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today we'll be creating these gorgeous crystal Christmas boxes. So I'll be using a bunch of the diamond gems from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using the straight edge ruler as well as this mirror, and I'm going to be going ahead to line up my diamonds face down onto the mirror. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add a bead of hot glue in between each of the diamonds where they meet. Now once that first row has dried, I'm going to go ahead and line up my second row, and I'm going to repeat the process of adding a bead of hot glue where each of my diamonds meet. Now once your hot glue is cool, it's safe to remove from the glass, and as you can see, I've gone ahead and created all 4 panels for each side of my gift box as well as the top. Now all I have to do is add the glue to each of my diamonds on the sides, and then I'll join each of those sides together to create my box. Of course, the bottom will be open because that's the way we'll be able to add lighting to the inside. Now I'll be using this rhinestone ribbon. I got this on Amazon. I will have it linked down below. So that is all for this quick and easy DIY. Let me know down below what are your thoughts on how these gorgeous crystal boxes turned out. As you can see, I absolutely love them. So that is all for today. I want to thank you so very much for watching. I hope that you're continuing to stay safe, and I will talk to you in my next one.